Many business users rely upon Outlook for all their email, calendaring, and contact needs. It can be quite traumatic when Outlook's PST file gets corrupted. In case of hard drive sector failure, Office's scans.x may not be able to fix the file. In this video, we will describe how you can back up and restore your Outlook data. Some reasons why the PST files get corrupted. Hard drive failure. Abrupt system shutdown. Power failure just when a user is accessing the PST file may corrupt the file. Due to viruses or malware attacks. Excessive PST file size. Recovering the PST files by manual technique is a very challenging task. The manual technique consists of several steps and requires a high level of technical knowledge. If any step gets skipped, the PST data will be lost, but we have a simple technique for you. With the SysInfoTools Advanced Outlook Recovery tool, you can recover the multiple Outlook PST files in a single click. Its advanced algorithm can scan the corrupt or damaged personal folders files and recover your mail messages and all other items as much as possible. Important features of the tool are: the tool can repair and restore multiple PST files without causing any alteration to the original mailbox content. It is very helpful in case of a complete system crash. It can restore multiple Outlook mail items like messages, contacts, calendars, tasks, notes, journals, attachments, etc. from corrupt PST files. The tool can detect information like file size, version, and encryption type of the PST file. With the search feature, you can find the exact location of your PST files. The tool supports all types of encryption including compressible encryption, high encryption, deflate encryption, and no encryption. A user can also recover the non-English characters from corrupt PST files. Working on the tool. Download the tool. We have given the download link in the description. Run the tool and click on the Add Files button to add the PST files. Choose the desired files. Select the PST files for custom settings and then click on the Custom Settings button. Choose the PST file version, then encryption type, and then recovery mode. Now select the options Support non-English characters and Handle alignment error. And click OK. Select the PST files for date range settings and then click on the Date Range Setting button. You can select the predefined time period. Also, you can select time period manually. Then select the Apply Date Range Settings option and then click OK. Click on the Save Path option and browse the location where you want to save the recovered files. Then select the Hierarchy option, and finally click on the Recover button. Once the recovery process gets completed, click OK. Now you have to import the recovered files to Outlook. Follow the given steps to do this. Open the MS Outlook, click on the Files tab, then choose the Import and Export option. Select the Import from another program option, and click Next. Choose the personal folder file, then click Next. Now select the recovered files and click Next. Once the files are selected, click on the Finish button. Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.